Facility managers may sometimes appoint pre-approved vendors with an approved list of prices for each specific activity or line item. FacilityBot's Schedule of Rates feature allows facility managers to upload and keep track of these prices for each pre-approved vendor. When vendors are assigned a request, they can then select the appropriate line item and quantity as a way to quickly quote for the job. Approved prices cannot be amended at this point. The quick quote can then be approved before the vendor starts working on the request. To access the Schedule of Rates feature in FacilityBot, go to Settings and click Schedule of Rates. The list of previously created Schedule of Rates is shown. The previously created Schedule of Rates can be searched using the search field or sorted using the sort button. The details of a certain schedule can be viewed and edited by clicking the View Details. The selected schedule can also be deleted by selecting the dustbin icon. A new schedule of rate can be created by clicking the plus New Schedule of Rates button on the upper right. Let's create a new schedule of rate. Select the plus New Schedule of Rates button on the far right. Give the new schedule a rate a name. Press the drop-down button to choose from the accounts linked to this schedule of rates. Take note that only the responders with linked accounts will be able to respond with quotes. Once done, click Save to save all the changes. To edit the schedule of the rate you just made, go back to the main page and click the View Details button. To organize the line item in the schedule of rates, you can create categories. Do this by clicking on the Manage Categories button. Click the plus New category and enter a category name. Once done, click OK. You can also search for a category by clicking on the search icon or sort it by clicking on the sort icon. To create a new row of rates, click on the plus New Row button. Give the row a category by selecting from the list shown on the drop-down menu. Give the row a brief description, a unit of measure, and the price. Once done, click the Save button to save the changes. You also have the option to import a CSV file by clicking on the Import CSV button. To save the schedule of rates you just created, click on the Save button on the upper right. Responders can respond to a service request with quotes from the schedule of rates. To do this, the responder should log into the FacilityBot Responder portal. Click on the Request button and choose a request to be resolved from the list of previously created requests shown on the left. Click the dollar icon and select Schedule of Rates to quote from. Pick the appropriate line item and enter the corresponding quantity. Check the total corresponding price, and once done, click the Save button to save the changes. Once a responder replies to the request with a quote, the schedule of rate will appear on the request detail.